In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix packet loss in Rainbow Six Siege. If you've been experiencing lag, stuttering, or intermittent connectivity issues while playing, packet loss might be the culprit, and I'm here to help you improve your gameplay experience by resolving this issue. First, let's start by understanding what packet loss is. Simply put, packet loss occurs when data packets being transmitted from your device to the game server, or vice versa, fail to reach their intended destination. This can cause annoying interruptions and can significantly affect your gaming performance. But don't worry, there are steps you can take to minimize or even eliminate packet loss. One of the initial steps is to make sure your internet connection is stable. Check your network cables and ensure they're securely connected. A loose or damaged cable can often be the root of connection issues. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired connection. Ethernet cables provide more stability and reduce the chances of interference, which can cause packet loss. If a wired connection isn't feasible, make sure your device is close to the router and free from any physical obstructions that might weaken the signal. Next, it's crucial to assess your network traffic. Take a peek at what's happening on your network. If you have multiple devices connected and using a lot of data, it might be worth considering temporarily disconnecting some of them while you play. Streaming videos or downloading large files can significantly impact your internet speed and result in packet loss. Another step you can take is to restart your router. It sounds simple, but restarting your router can solve many connectivity issues. Simply unplug it, wait for about a minute, and then plug it back in. This can help refresh your connection and often resolves temporary issues. Updating your network drivers is another important factor. Outdated drivers can sometimes hinder your connection. Check your operating system settings or your device manufacturer's website for any available updates, and make sure everything is up to date. If you've tried all these steps and are still facing issues, you might need to reach out to your internet service provider. Sometimes, the problem might not be on your end at all. Let them know about the issues you're experiencing, and they can help determine if there's a broader issue with your service or if they can optimize your connection settings. Lastly, consider altering the in-game settings. Check the game's network settings to ensure there are no restrictions or limits set that could throttle your connection. You might want to experiment with playing on different servers, as connecting to a server closer to your location can potentially reduce latency and packet loss. Follow these steps, and hopefully, you'll see a significant improvement in your gameplay. I hope you found this video helpful and that you enjoy smoother, lag-free sessions in Rainbow Six Siege. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming!